Hi, I'm Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sail Ski, and we are your one-stop shop for everything you need for the lake life. We have the largest selection of water sports equipment, Yeti coolers, we've got bikinis and board shorts, we've got everything you need for behind the boat as well as on the boat for the ultimate convenience and enjoying the lake life. Our sales team has a rich history of selling the best boats in the industry. A lot of our sales team has been here for 20 years plus. This gives them the experience and knowledge to help you get into the boat that's right for you. The current path to boat ownership looks just a little bit different. No longer are you forced to choose from whatever's on the showroom floor. Most of our customers actually special order their boats now. And with that said, the quicker you get it ordered, the quicker you're gonna get it. Designing your new Nautique is fun and easy. We love it. We do it all the time for fun. Our experienced staff will actually sit down and help you design it within the Nautique Build-A-Boat function with all of the colors and gel coats and vinyl colors in person. It makes it super simple to actually put the colors next to each other and figure out what's really gonna look good together. Our sales team has done this countless times, so their knowledge and experience is invaluable to helping you deliver the boat that you're expecting. Our ship store is very robust. With over 10,000 in-stock OEM parts, we've got everything you need to keep your boat in tip-top shape. Our service department is miles ahead of the competition. Our team is full of master certified technicians, and we routinely win awards for customer service. And we even offer a mobile service department. We'll come right to your dock and take care of your boat from there.